Yes, hi friends. In previous sessions, we are already discussing about some advanced sorting concepts like list sort and radix sort. So radix sort is also called as bucket sort or distribution sort, right? So in this session, we are mainly concentrating on one more advanced sorting technique, that is list sort. List sort, right? So before going to list sort, first of all, what is sorting? So sorting is a process of arranging all the elements in the form of ascending order or descending order, right? So for that purpose we are using different types of mechanisms are used, right? So we are already discussing some sorting techniques like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick sort, med sort, heap sort. So by using these mechanisms we can arrange all the elements in the form of ascending order or descending order, right? So then what is the major drawback of those techniques, right? So by using those techniques we can sort the limited amount of data only, right? For suppose if I want to sort 1,000 number of records, so by using those mechanisms we can sort 1,000 number of records, but number of comparison operations and swapping operations are increase it to sort those 1,000 records, right? So automatically degrade the overall performance as well as it takes more time to sort 1,000 records, right? So that is the major drawback in sorting techniques, right? So to overcome that drawback we are adding some extra information to sorted list of elements, that is nothing but linked list. So here simply we are applying linked list mechanism to sorted list of elements, then we can apply those sorting mechanisms, right? So for that purpose we are using list sort mechanism. So simply by using list sort mechanism we are adding some extra field to the list of elements before sorting. So before sorting we are adding some extra field, that is link field, to the list of elements, then we are applying mechanism, sorting mechanism like selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort, any whatever it may be, right? So here first of all what is list sort? So here before sorting large records we are adding some extra field to the list of elements, then we are applying sorting procedure. So that field is called as linked list, right? So first of all what is list sort, right? So here all the methods require excessive data movement. The physical data movement tends to slow down the sorting, while sorting large list of records, we have to modify the sorting methods. We have to modify the sorting methods. We have to modify the sorting methods to minimize the data movements. Minimize the data movement, right? Methods or techniques such as selection sort, insertion sort, selection sort, insertion sort can be modified with the help of linked list. With the help of linked list. So simply, for suppose if I want to sort the large number of data records, in such cases we are adding some extra information to the list of records, that is linked list. Then we are sorting all the elements by using any technique, so like selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, med sort, whatever, right? So here all the methods require excessive data movement. The physical data movement tends to slow down the sorting process, right? So before apply linked list, automatically it will degrades the performance. Why? Because so number of comparisons and number of swapping operations are required to sort the large number of data records. So to overcome that drawback, we are adding some extra field, that is linked list field, right? So this is about introduction to list sort mechanism, right? So here I am taking one example, then how to apply, how to add that extra field to the list of records, then how to apply sorting mechanism on that list, right? So here I am taking one example to implement the list sort mechanism. So here I am taking one example. Right? So here I am taking I key values. So here I am adding some extra field that can be represented with the help of link A, right? So here I am taking 10 list of elements, 10 records, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R9, R10. So I value starts from 1 to 10 records. So what are the key elements that are presented in these records, right? So here key elements are nothing but list of elements in the array, right? So here I am taking 26, 5, 77, 1, 61, 11, 59, 15, 48, 19. So here links are 9, 6, 0, 2, 3, 8, 5, 10, 7, 1. So this is our example. So here I am adding some extra field to the list of elements, that is link A. So link list representation, single link list representation. So how to apply list sort mechanism for these key elements, right? So here we are discussing step by step process. So first of all, in list sort we can find out the minimum element in a given set of records, So our step 1, So first of all, we can find out the minimum element. So what is the minimum element? So 1 is the minimum element. 1 is the minimum element. So minimum element is equal to 1. Minimum element is equal to 1. Right? So here, after finding out the minimum element, add backward links to form double linked list. Right? So how to add one more link to these elements, right? So here I R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R9, R10. Right now, so here key elements are 26, 5, 77, 1, 61, 11, 59, 15, 48, 19. 48, 19. Right? So here link A is already presented, that is 9, 6, 0, 2, 3, 8, 5, 10, 7, 1. So here in step 1 we are finding out the minimum element 1. Then we are adding one more link to form the double linked list. So here double link adding starts from minimum element. So one more link can be represented with the help of link B. So link B adding can be started from minimum element. So what is the minimum element? 1. Right? So here link starts from 0. So that's why here I am placing 0. So first link is 0. So that's why here I am placing 0. Right? So then go to check the link A of first element 2. Go to R2, place 4. Right? Again check the R2 of link A 6. Go to R6, place 2 in link B. So again we are checking R6 record of link A 8. Go to R8, place 6. Again we are check R8 link A 10. Go to R10 record, place 8. Again we are checking R10 link A 1. Go to R1, place 10. Again we are checking R1 link A 9. Go to R9, place 1. Again we are checking R9 link A 7. Go to R7 record, place 9. Again we are checking R7 link A 5. Go to record 5, place 7. Again we are check link A of R5 3. So go to record 3, place 5. So here I am forming double linked list for a given list of elements. So based on particular record link A, and based on that value we will go to the particular record and place link B value with the help of specified link A record value. So that is the procedure for forming the double linked list. Right? So after step 1, we are starting the sorting process. So once we can find out the minimum element as well as forming the double linked list, sorting process has been started. Sorting process has been started from 1 to less than n elements. So that's why what is the initial value? So I value starts from record R1. So I is equal to 1. So here, what is the minimum element? So minimum is equal to 1. So this is nothing but R1. So minimum 1 presented at R4. R4, right? So here we are checking one condition, that is minimum. So here we are checking A of I greater than minimum. A of I greater than minimum. What is A of I value? 26. 26 greater than, so minimum is 1. So 26 greater than 1. So condition is true. Swap A of I comma minimum. Swap A of I comma minimum. Now the list becomes I, key, link A, link B. So R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R9, R10. Right? So here we are swapping A of I, A of minimum. So that is R1 and R4. We are swapping R1, R4. R1, R4. Right? So now R1 moves to, so R4 moves to R1, R1 moves to R4. Now the list becomes, so R1 is 1, 2, 0. So R4 becomes 26, 9, 10. So 26, 9, 10. Right? So here remaining elements are same. 5, 6, 4, 77, 0, 5, 1, 2, 0. Sorry. R5 record is 61, 3, 7, 11, 8, 2, 59, 5, 9, 15, 3, 10, 6, 48, 7, 19, 1, 8. So after swapping, R1 record has been sorted. So R1 record has been sorted. R1 record has been sorted. Right? So once we can sort the R1, we are also updating the link A, link B values, which record contains one value. Right? So which records contains one value? R9 and R10. Link A, link B contains one values. So R1 is already updated. R1 is nothing but 1, R2 is nothing but 2, R3 is nothing but 3. So these are the I values. So here I am representing records. Right? So once we can sort the R1 record, so one value contains which records? So those values can be updated with the help of swapped record, right? So here R10 record link A contains 1 and R9 link B contains one value. So these can be replaced with the help of swapping record value, that is 4. So here I am replacing 4. Now the list becomes 4. This is also 4. Right? So after completion of step 1, I value is incremented by 1. Now what is the value of I? 2. So that is nothing but R2 record. So we can find out the minimum value. So minimum value can be find out with the help of I record link a value. I record, so previous record link value. So previous record link value. So here, what is the previous sorted record link value? 2. So go to R2. Now minimum value is R2. Minimum value is R2. So what is the value? 5. So how to find out the minimum value for next step? So already sorted record link A value record is set to be minimum value, right? So A of I greater than minimum. What is A of I? So A of 2. So 5 greater than minimum value is also 5. So this is false condition. So we are need not to apply any swapping procedure. So record R2 is same. So that's why we are need not to apply any swapping procedure. So R2 is sorted. R2 is sorted, right? So then after completion of this one, I value is incremented by 1, that is R3. R3. So we can find out the minimum value. So minimum value find out can be done with the help of previous record link A value. So what is the previous record link A value? 6. So go to R6. Now this is the minimum value. So minimum is equal to R6. So what is the minimum value of R6? What is the minimum value of R6? 11. Right? So we are comparing A of I greater than minimum. A of I 3. So 77 greater than, what is the minimum value? What is the minimum value? R6 11. So condition is true. So we are swapping A of I, A of minimum. So what is A of I? R3. What is the minimum value? R6. So R3 can be swapped with the help of R6 record, right? So R6 record now like this, right now. So here 11, 77, 8, 0, 2, 5, right? So R3 has been sorted. R3 has been sorted. So here we are representing step by step. So this